Favor is a delivery company that is specific just to the state of Texas. Most of our data comes from internal tools and services that run the business day to day. As such, we've got all types of data. We've got customer data, we've got data coming in from marketing tools, we've got weather data coming in. It's really a pretty broad range of different data sources and different data types. We do a lot of geolocation data because of the type of business we are. We have to know where our runners are, where the customer is, where the merchant is, and make sure we route things accordingly.
One of the ways in which our data is a competitive advantage for Favor is that we serve needs across a bunch of different delivery verticals. And one of the benefits for us is that by understanding which customers are multi-product shoppers, those are very often our most valuable ones. And so seeing that behavior across different verticals, we're able to double and triple down on that, which again, it helps us better serve those people and also helps us acquire the right kinds of customers and make sure that they keep coming back to us.
Hevo presented us with a really good UI so that we could build a lot of pipelines quickly, and we wouldn't have to have a lot of coding involved just to spin one additional table up. And they also provided an API structure that we could use to do integrations that were previously done purely by hand through coding in either Python or Scala or something like that.
Hevo has been a great combination of both, great reliability at a competitive price. So for us, that's really the sweet spot. Both those things are really important. They've also been great partners. As we've stood the integration, y'all have been right there to help us set it up and get it done. So that's another thing that we really appreciate and made it, relatively seamless transition going from our prior stack to the current one.
We've been very pleased with Hevo's response when we've had particular questions and changes that we wanted to make. We've had direct access to engineers, and so there were a few times where we've had some internal changes happening, for instance, conversion of a database over to a internal database that we were using for change data capture. Pulling from that can get very complicated, but have always had a good rapport with Hevo, and that's something that's helped us out a lot, where we were able to offer different solutions internally to the teams that we were working with. And that's something that we don't feel we probably would have gotten with a lot of the other vendors.